Hi, one of the homework questions that was emailed to me was problem number 17, and I can see why it had a little bit more difficulty because it has a decimal in it. So, if we remember, if we were going to deal with direct variation, the first thing that we learned in class was it's a graph, or it's a graph of a line that goes through the origin. So really there was a plus 0, or we said the form has to be y equals mx, no 0. And it has to go through the origin for direct variation. So what we can do in number 17 is we can first find the slope. Remember our slope is, x2 is on the bottom, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're given a y value of 9, and we know it's going to also go through the origin. We are given an x value of negative 1.5. We know it's going to go through the origin. And so it simplifies down to 9 over negative 1.5. And now you have to be able to simplify that. Now, one thing you can do is you can say, oh, decimals are hard. So maybe you would first say, let's change this into a whole number by, if I multiply this by 2 and the top by 2, this would be 18 over negative 3. Now that I have both of them whole numbers, 18 divided by negative 3 gives me a negative 6. Okay, so we should now be able to write our equation for our direct variation. Okay, so our equation again, I'm just going to rewrite it as y equals mx. And we now know m, so it's y equals negative 6x. So this is the equation for a direct variation with a graph that will pass through this given point. If you have any other homework questions, please don't be afraid to email. I can always answer them prior to class as well as during class. Thank you.